Hello students, today we will start the trigonometry. First we have studied, we will study that is 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. 1 degree is always equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, this is very common thing. After that 1 radian equals to 180 upon pi. Okay, that is if a arc is there, in that arc we are considering r is the radius upon the circumference we are taking the radian. Okay, then 1 radian equals to 180 upon pi. Just like see the diagram, this is r, this is r. Okay, this is we are saying 1 degree. Okay, 1 C or something angle is there. This is AOB is 1 radian. 1 radian can be written as this. Here AOC. Yeah, AOB. B is there. Then angle AOB equals to 1 radian. And 1 radian angle AOB upon 360 equals to R upon 2 pi r. It will be. Okay. R is the radius upon circumference of the circle. We are taking angle 360 angle AOB upon whole angle 360 upon radius upon 2 pi r can be cancelled, and angle AOB equals to 360 upon 180 2 pi 360 upon 2 pi can be cancelled, and this would be 1 radian equals to 180 upon pi. Got it? Yes or no? Another, if we are taking just I am saying to you that we have to convert 25 degree to the radian. Okay, that is 25 degree equals to 25 into pi upon 180 radians. Got it? This is how to convert the angle from degree to the radians. Now if we are having that we have to convert radians into the degree. If we will convert radian, just like we are taking 11 radian, not degree, radian equals to 11 multiplied by 180 upon pi. Okay, if it is 1 upon 16, then it will be 1 upon 16. You got it? By this type we can change the radian. Or some example, if we are taking that saying find the degree measures of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of diameter 200 centimeter by an arc of the length 20 centimeter. 22 centimeter is the length of arc. That means length of arc we are having. Question is find the degree measure. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle, at the center of a circle of diameter 200 centimeter by an arc arc of length 22 centimeter. Okay, if we are finding, then we will find out theta equals to S upon R. S is the arc. Okay, length of the arc is S, that is 22 upon R. R is from diameter, we can find out it is 100. You can cancel 11 upon 50. Theta equals to 11 upon 50 degree. Got it? This is the radian. If you can find out 11, 50 radian में convert degree में, then 180 upon 5. This you have to do only, and you can find out the value of the degree as well. Got it? Just these are some questions you do, and today we will discuss about the sine. First we will write some formulae which are the common formulae for use. Just trigonometry is for doing by Pythagoras theorem. In the right angle triangle, this is base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Okay, now see under what conditions. If theta is here, this will be the base, this will be the perpendicular. If theta is here, this will be the base, this will be the perpendicular. That means the base is that which contains 90 degree as well the theta. When both the angles are on the line, that line is called the base. Okay, now from here if we will find sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse, tangent theta equals to perpendicular upon base. We can learn Pandit Badri Prasad हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. We can write Pandit Badri Prasad हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. We can learn by this. By another, if we write cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta, that is equals to h upon b. Is sec theta equals to 1 upon cos theta equals to h upon b. And if we find cot theta equals to 1 upon tan theta equals to what? Base upon perpendicular. Either we can write tangent theta equals to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta equals to cos theta upon sin theta. Next one, the formula for that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Another is sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Just we have done, we will take cos square theta and sin square theta to the another side. Another is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1, and sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Okay, we can say cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta, sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Exactly, you can make the another formula for your convenience. Okay. And Now we are moving on to the quadrants. We are moving on to the quadrants. Formula I will give you the letter. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and it is fourth quadrant. Here all sin cos tan, यहाँ सब पॉजिटिव होंगे, यहाँ पे साइन एंड कोसेक पॉजिटिव होंगे, यहाँ पे कोस और सेक पॉजिटिव होंगे, यहाँ ऑल साइन टेन कोस, सॉरी यहाँ पर टेन एंड कोट पॉजिटिव होंगे, यहाँ पर कोस एंड सेक पॉजिटिव होंगे इन ऑल एंगल्स. दिस इज 90 माइनस थीटा और 360 प्लस थीटा. This quadrant having the angle 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. Here is we are taking 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta. Here again 270 plus theta or 360 minus theta. Got it? Now what we have to do? Now make the formula. Sin theta sin 90 minus theta changes to the cos theta. It is positive. That means cos 90 minus theta changes to the sin theta, and cosec 90 minus theta changes to the sec theta. Sec 90 minus theta changes to cosec theta, and just like tan theta 90 minus theta changes to the cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta changes to the tan theta. Okay, now if we find this, let us do this or this. This I am doing. See, here we are doing sin 90 plus theta changes to the sin is positive cos theta. Again we are taking cos 90 plus theta, then cos is not positive here, then it will changes to minus sin theta, and now another is 10 90 plus theta changes to the cot theta in the minus. Cot theta, cot 90 plus theta changes to the minus tan theta, just like cosec 90 minus theta changes to the sec theta, but sec 90 minus theta changes to the cosec theta. Got it? These are some basic formulae, and another you can make here. If you are doing 180 plus, just I am telling you in 180 plus or minus theta, sin 180 plus theta. Here 10 will be positive equals to minus sin theta. Okay, if we are doing cos 180 plus theta, it will be minus cos theta. 180 and 360, sin will change to sin, cos will change to cos, all in the same. If it is 90 and 270, if it is 90 and 270, it will changes sin to cos, cos to sin, sec to cosec, etc. Now if we are taking tangent 180 plus theta, it will changes to tan theta positive. If we are taking cot 180 plus theta, it will changes to cot theta, just like cosec 180 plus theta changes to minus sec theta, cosec theta, sorry, and sec theta and sec changes to minus sec. That's all for today. These are some basic formulae you have to learn. In the next class we will study the questions based on this.